Hey everyone, welcome back to Mini Mondays. Are you excited? Because I am excited. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me, plan with me, plan to clean with me, whatever you want to call that, in my mini planner. I am going to show you how I do a schedule for cleaning using my mini planner. Cannot wait to get started. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you are returning today. All right, let's get started. Okay, so this is the Mom Life. It's the Super Mom Planner that was released in fall, August, something like that, for the Happy Planner. I have used it for different things. I did buy the big version of the same layout, and so I will say that I do enjoy this layout, the dashboard layout, but my mini has been one of those things where I'm really trying to figure out the place for it in my life, because sometimes I use it really well and sometimes I don't. So it's been an on again, off again love. What I found is that I do lack in a cleaning plan. So this is really great to be able to do that. So let's go ahead and do that for today. All right. So I will say I am very excited for the new Boss Babe Planner Release Mini that will be available at Walmart. Was the only place that I saw it, but that's where that's the only planner that I saw that I had to have for this next release. The only other one was the Vintage Botanicals, but I don't know that I feel like I need that as much as I feel like I need it to show all of you how pretty it is, but it's not the love of my life. I will just say that much. All right, so the purpose for this is to really just keep track of, this is the much more used side of things, but to really keep track of what I want to clean on what specific day. And we are at this point where we're almost done projecting on our house. And I mean, it's not like we've had major projects, like we're not like doing major renovations or anything like that, but we're almost to the point where we're done with the stuff that we need to finish. And so I want to really start making our house look nice and keeping it cleaner. And I have 2 boys and a husband, so it just takes some time. But I feel like the way to do this is to not only lay out the cleaning, but to lay out the cleaning in a way that I'm showcasing who's responsible for what. So that's what we're going to do today. Using the mini sticker book. Date night, movie night. Okay. Tiny. This is the tiny sticker book. I think I called it the mini. And then the Daydreamer, which I'm going to open it to those stickers. And then the Super Mom. And apparently I need to use more of these icons because I can go a long time with them. So these are kind of big. I thought that I was going to want to use these, but I'm not sure if they're too big or not. I'm not sure. I do like the housework ones, but I don't know if I want the... Actually, I think, sorry, Minnie. Sorry, Tiny. Sorry. I will tell you, I don't think I've ever used like a full sticker book. Ever. But the one as close as it has come is the coffee cups of using a full page of something, and I just need to make that happen. I could use a whole nother one of these books just for the coffee cups. But actually they've come out with a lot more coffee cups, so that will probably be that. Okay. All right. So let's get started. So for my cleaning schedule, and this is going to be specific, I will tell you, I just signed up for Grove Collaborative, and it's the best thing ever. I just thought I'd share that with you because it's made me so much more excited to clean. I know that sounds so stupid, but I just love it. So I will link it below. I don't know if anyone's interested in it, but it is amazing. And you do get a free gift, and that's why I originally signed up, was for the free stuff. And it has been amazing. But I really want to do a better job of cleaning, and I really want to do a better job of batching certain tasks that I don't do very often and seeing if they will work in some fashion. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put down the tasks I know I'm going to do on one specific day, and then I'm going to label out who's responsible for those individual tasks. So, which most of them are me, but you never know. So I'd like to do, and if I do a load of laundry in the meantime, like I'm okay with that. I just want to make sure that I'm making an effort to do loads of laundry on these particular days, so that way I'm not like wasting. Actually, I think I want to move that to Tuesday. I did that last time too. All right, it might just stay. Wednesday it is. And then also what I will say is that this is very vague what I'm doing right here, and I want to work on a more detailed list, but for the time being, this is going to be the best that we're gonna come up with. All right. So housework, and I'm gonna label it out for you all too. And then trash day needs to be, probably it should be Friday too. We are like rainy all week, so it's gonna be a rough week for taking trash, but I'd like to not have to do it on the weekend is what I'd really like. I would just really like that. Seasons change and so do we. I want to decorate this up a little bit. All right. Now, if they come out with, I think they are with their new household sticker that they're coming out with, but I would love to see like other stickers that that really that really like show. I think it's supposed to rain on Monday too, but really show like the different areas of the house that you might clean, and not just like clean, like a bathroom or whatever. Okay. All right, so where's my pen? Let's start here. All right, so Monday we are going to dust the bedroom, and that will be my job, so I will put an M beside it. And then we're going to clean outside cabinet. Oops, I can spell. Side cabinets. So what I mean by that is that I'm wiping down the fronts of the cabinets, so they're not dirty. Yard work, which the yard work is finishing Christmas lights, taking them down. We'll be putting them back up like in a month, and that will be my hubby's job. Then I want to actually clean a little bit outside, so I might help him do that when we're doing that. But Tuesday, I want to find out what that is. I want to clean the bathrooms. And that is a combination of both of us. So I'm just going to put a B next to it. And of course, every day, which I'm going to bring it over. Where is it? I need some habit trackers. Where's some habit trackers? Are there habit trackers in here? I don't see habit trackers in here. But I need some habit trackers. Let me see if there's habit trackers in here. I know I have like 15 million habit trackers, so I know that I have plenty. I just need some habit trackers. Okay. Okay. Now, these are the things that we're going to do reoccurringly for keeping things tidy, and I have to train my son to, ooh, that's kind of crooked, but whatevs, to help with as well. I'm going to have two of them, but one of them is not the best when it comes to stuff like this, so yet. He's only almost 2 though, so I don't know, at 2 years old, I don't know that they really pay attention to anything. Okay. He will help clean up if you give him a specific job, but he's not the best at it. So for them, um, we're going to make bed, which of course I do a pretty good job of, but sometimes on the weekends I don't, but it just depends. Make kids' bed. And then I want to clean bathroom. And when I say clean bathroom, what I mean is keep it from getting overwhelmed with stuff. Because if you're like Megan, you leave your hair straightener out and your husband leaves beard products all over the counter. So I'm specifically talking about not like cleaning up the sinks or cleaning up the bathtub or none of that. I'm just talking about like cleaning the countertops in the bathroom and putting everything where it goes back away. That's specifically what I'm talking about. And so B stands for both, although it could also mean Braden, but it stands for both. Laundry, and my goal is to do like 2 loads or less each day. And that's a Megan task. And then Wednesday, I also want to get another sticker. Get another sticker. Okay, we need to do this very badly. I don't know that this will actually happen specifically on this day, but we need to clean the garage. And that will also be a both task. So I don't even think I'm going to write it. Thursday, we will go grocery shopping in the afternoon. And so I will want to clean fridge and pantry. And then Friday, laundry. And that's a Megan task. Because, and of course, like there's things every day, like I probably won't write them down because we just do them and it's like doing the dishes. And I mean, like you only need so much help with that as far as that is concerned. But I will say that one thing I want to do. And this is also, I'm going to put it down. Clean floors. Yeah. And then this, so that's floors. I'm going to put in parentheses wood, which is 90% of our floors. And then clean laundry room floor. And that's a Colin task. And then trash. Take trash. Colin. So all in all, grocery shopping, we go together. Clean fridge, that will be Megan. Pantry, that will be Megan. And then my goal is that will probably be both of us. Clean the floors. Clean garage will probably be both of us. My goal is to not have to do anything via weekend. Clean up / tidy. And then of course, tidy up. That will be this week as far as what to do cleaning up wise. Now, if there's a if there is a specific thing I want to clean up and above that, like I'm going to want to kind of lay it more in detail, and I'm not going to use, the only thing I might use is the to buy and maybe the errands, but the calls and email, those aren't going to be used. So I'm going to probably just use this section to make a little bit of notes about cleaning things. So for example, pertaining to the garage, we need to get couches out because we have couches in there right now that I had put in the garage when our new couches came, and I've saved them. Well, I saved them because I was like, what if something comes in damaged or something? But nothing did, and now it's time to get rid of them. So get couches out. Really, that's going to be called habitat. And then I want to get some more mouse traps because we do not want mice in our house. Then for the laundry room, I want to pull the washer and dryer out to clean floor. And basically, if I have some kind of I'd like to do a bigger project once a week inside the cleaning realm so I don't get overwhelmed with, like, I want to just try to do little by little every day so then each day is not filled with cleaning. I do not like having to clean with my weekend as being the use of its time. So I want to try to do that in a better way. That is my goal. That's my long-term goal, is to be better about cleaning. And then of course the dishes and all that good stuff. I don't really know what's for dinner yet, so I can't really fill that section in, but I might use that as an overview just so I can get an idea on what dishes I'm going to be using and different things like that. And then I will fill that in. So this is how I'm using my mini to keep my clean with me. If you have a different layout, I would highly recommend that you could do it the same way. If you are a mini person that doesn't use it for as much stuff, I like to have my mini on the go with me. I like to take notes in it, but the weeks didn't really get planned in very much, and I thought I needed a clean plan, so I thought let's do that instead. So I hope you enjoy this video tutorial of how I'm going to clean. I hope you love my messy handwriting, because that's the way it is. And yeah, I hope you can benefit from having a cleaning schedule yourself. Hopefully that will. Oh, you know what though? This isn't really like a super clean supplies. I need to update my Grove Collaborative on that day. I'm telling you what, amazing. I love it. So just so you know, if you want to check it out, I've been so excited about it. And they sent this cute little tub with my order and I vinyled it up and it looks so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. But it is the simplest things in life bring me joy. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Cannot wait to see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future content, and have a great rest of your day. I'll see y'all very soon.